guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Arion Zhane here, back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be unboxing, reviewing, and maybe even critiquing some really cute cases I got from the brand BingCases. And can I just say, this is my very first brand partnership. Bing actually sent me 3 cases for free. I got to pick them out, I got to customize them, all that great stuff. So if you're interested in seeing these cases and seeing my real honest reviews, because if the cases are trash, I personally am in this place of life where I'm not afraid to say it. So let's get into these cases. By the way, there will be a special discount code that you guys can use so you can get 10% off, because I don't want y'all paying full price, okay? So it comes in this black packaging, and with the BingCases representative that I spoke with, they were definitely very, very kind, super cool. Okay. I also don't remember what cases I got. I just remember I got 3, and I know one of them has my name on it. Oh, here we go. I love this packaging. Is there anything else in here? So you get a cute little card that says, "Thank you for helping us grow." Totally cool with that. Bing is a small company. I don't know how small, but I know they have a couple thousand on Instagram, so they're not tiny. By the way, I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and all their cases are not available in the 12 Pro Max. So just wanted to give you guys that heads up. There was this one case that I really liked. I don't even remember what it was. So this is the packaging. It comes in like this simple, I don't know materials, cardboard box, I guess, and it has like the B and the C. I like their logo, BingCases, and it comes with this little piece of paper. I don't know, like cardstock almost, to keep it closed. So this is the first case. As you guys know, I always show you guys the cases before I see them. So okay, looking at the case, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Is it cute? Is it not? And I think all the cases I got like a white or black trimming. Okay. What do y'all think about the case? I feel like this is one with my name on it, because I feel like I see something right here. Okay, my turn. Yes. Okay. No, it doesn't have my name on it. This, I saw this and I thought this was so cute. Now, I just really got into cases, I think, like after high school, maybe. I used to have like these really immature cases. They were cute at the time. I used to have a Despicable Me Minion case, and my friends got it for me. Shout out to Alexis. But y'all, this is so cute. I've been getting into more like simple cases. I love this case. So cute. Oh my goodness. And all their cases are protective, which is what I love. And so, oh, I'm dumb. Guys, I'm filming on my phone. Hold on. I'm going to switch to my other camera for my phone. This is so dumb. I didn't even think about this. Okay, now I have my life together. So this is the current phone case that I do have. Let me just show you guys. Let me tap on it so you can see it better. It's this basic Casetify case, and it's cool. I really liked it when I first got it, but I do think it's a little basic. So I was trying to look for something that was a little bit more, not creative, but something that had just a little bit more pizzazz. And y'all, this case definitely does. And the Casetify cases are so, oh, when I first got it, it was so hard to get off, but that boy just slid off. Wow. Okay. Casetify. We'll put you on pause for now. BingCases. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. I was a little worried about how the black like cow print would work with my gold foam, but I think we're gonna be okay. Oh, this is so cute. Guys, I'm very basic. This is so cute to me. Oh my goodness. I kind of don't even want to put the other ones on. Okay, so excited. Okay, so this is what the very first case looks like. It's the cow print. And I'll put the prices on the screen. One thing I really liked about Bing is not only did they have a wide variety of like designs, but also their cases are super affordable. And that was my one thing with Casetify. Their cases were not affordable. But guys, I think this was like, I think everything was under $25. Super, super cute. Definitely protective. I think I'm going to keep this case on after we do the video. Okay, let's move on to our next one. So we did one. I guess we'll put this back in the box. And it is not hard to take off, which is a huge plus for me. All right, per tradition, you guys get to see the case before I do. What do you guys think about it? Is it cute? What do you think? My guess that this one is the Polaroid that I got. I remember I got a Polaroid. Yeah, this has to be the Polaroid. Yes, it is the Polaroid. Oh, wait, I thought I got the date wrong for a second. Oh my God, guys. Whew. So this is what the case is. It's a simple Polaroid picture of me and my boyfriend the day we started dating. I was gonna get a picture of myself, but I was like, no, like, let me like get Justin on a little case. So I also got the clear. I think you could also get black, and then there was like a neon option, but y'all know I'm basic. I'm a basic girl. All right, this one was a little harder to get on. but it is on there. Oh, this is definitely protective. Oh, this is cute because it's so simple. This is, I wonder if I should give this to my boyfriend. No, I'm gonna keep it because he just got a 12 Pro Max too, and I think he would like this case. But I think he needs something a little bit more businessy because he goes to work every day in the office. Oh, this is so cute, guys. I love this. I love how simple it is. Like, yeah, we could have had more design, but no, this is basic. This is simple, and I'm sure it would look cute if I was taking like a mirror selfie too. Aww. BingCases, you did a really great job. This is really, really cute. It's a little harder to get off, but it's still super, super cute. And this is like good quality. Like, I definitely think if I were to drop my phone, the back would not shatter. And I have that super expensive screen protector on my phone, so I don't think my phone will be cracking anytime soon. And then the last case. Okay, this one should be the one, I think, with my name on it. I think. Did I get the stand one? I don't know. Okay, what do you guys think about it? Look at it. Let me know. Let me know. All right, here we go. 3, 2. This one feels thicker. 1. Yes. Okay. I wanted to be a little bit exotic, so I got one of like the sand cases. There you go. I got a sand case. So, you know, if you shake it, you know, the sand moves and stuff like that. Oh, this is so cool. And it's in neon orange. Wow. And then when all the sand is at the bottom, it's more of a lighter orange. Guys, this is cute. And they had different font options. I always, well, okay, let me not say always, because my original phone case wasn't a basic font. But I do really like the basic, like, bold, narrow fonts that a lot of these phone companies use with their cases. Wow. And remember, guys, I'm giving you guys a discount code so you guys can get these cases for 10% off. And can I mention they have free shipping? When I tell you I literally live for free shipping, that's the best thing on this planet. Okay, this one's a little hard to get in. There we go. Wow, guys, this is like this is the cases influencers have. They all have like the basic same case. Oh, this is cute. And I love like all the buttons line up. You know, some phone cases you get and you kind of can't hit your button like normal. Guys, literally the selfies or the mirror pics. Wow, okay. BingCases, first of all, I just have to say thank you guys so much for sending me these cases. In all honesty, all of these cases are definitely quality. I like the basic packaging that it comes with. And again, guys, these are all super, super affordable cases. I think if you're looking for a custom case, definitely get it. And I wanted to mention there was this other case. I was gonna get it, but I don't know why I didn't. There was a Black Lives Matter case. I liked it. Had like 3 fists and said Black Lives Matter. I really like that. So I think I may go back and get that case. But guys, definitely check them out. If you're into like, when I say the word basic, it's not in a bad way because I'm a basic girl. If you're into like basic but cute cases, I would definitely say check them out. Like, this is so freaking cute. I don't remember if you can get the sand in different colors, but I feel like you probably can. I'm a huge orange fan and I really like having my name on cases. I just think this is really, really cute. Again, all of their cases are protective, so that's awesome. And if you're somebody that likes, you know, to show off your phone, like my first case or my second case, that definitely shows off my phone. They have a variety of phone cases. And if you don't have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, there's even more cases available to you guys. I know a lot of case companies, you know, the 12 Pro Max is still fairly new. So probably in about 6 months, even more cases will be out from BingCases. So definitely check them out. If you guys want a cute little discount code, you can go on BingCases.com and use Arion10 for 10% off your order. And again, it's free shipping, y'all. I hate paying for shipping. If I'm already spending $50 with you, why do I have to pay $5, $10, $15, $20 for shipping? If something has $20, I'm not getting it. Forget it. I'll just find some on Amazon for free. But BingCases has free shipping, and that is what I am talking about. Also, if you want to get a custom AirPods case, definitely pick you up one of those. I definitely do want a custom AirPods case. Not right now because I just got a case for Christmas, but eventually, like when I'm tired of that blue that I have, definitely will pick me up a custom AirPods case. And y'all, let me know down below in the comments what y'all think about these cases. Which one was your favorite? For me, I'm gonna give y'all first place, second place, third place. First place is the cow. I love the basic cow print, so cute. Close second is this Arion with the orange sand. I might take this with me. I am going on a little girl trip. I think this would be really, really cute and also help differentiate my phone from others. And that's a great thing about this. Your friends will never accidentally pick up your phone if you have this case. If you have a basic black or pink case or clear case, somebody's picking up your phone. But like this case, the Polaroid case or the cow case, nobody has cases like that. So I would totally get that. So this is second place, and then my Polaroid is in third place. Again, really like this company. I definitely think I will definitely spend my own money on this. And I think like even, ooh, I have an idea for a birthday gift. I'm not gonna talk about that on here. But yeah, y'all, and the shipping was super, super fast. I think I got mine within like 3 days, and they're based in Texas, so free shipping. Fast shipping, that is what I'm talking about, y'all. Go support this small business. Go get you some cute cases. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go follow me, then go follow BingCases. They always have cute stuff. Guys, my Instagram has been doing this weird thing where even if I close the app, it'll keep playing what was on there. Anyway, I enjoyed this unboxing. I'm super excited. I'm about to go and put on my cow case, and I'm gonna put this in my suitcase because this is just so cute, and then you can shake it. Yeah, super, super cute. But all right, y'all, I will see you guys in my next video. If you haven't checked out some of my other like iPhone 12 Pro Max videos, I did an unboxing, I did a Casetify review, and I'm getting ready to do a couple other things involving my phone because it seems like that's what y'all like. Be sure to go down below in the description box or click up here so you can watch the videos. And again, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that lovely subscribe button down below so you can join the family. And I will see y'all next time. Hopefully I'll be, you know, a little more orange, a little more glowy, all that stuff. All right, bye guys.